this is the underwater room. It is so spectacular. I've never seen anything like this. The entire room is just submerged into the water. So yes, there are sharks. We saw a couple from our room, but we were told that they were harmless and they're actually quite small, so we didn't worry that much. So here's the main bathroom. Literally anywhere you go on this floor, you just have the view of what's under the water. So you could be brushing your teeth, sitting on the toilet, going to take a shower. But I do have to admit, it was kind of weird taking a shower and doing your business in front of the fish, especially when they were just staring at you.